Like it, ate? O, kasya lang baga. Si Hana pink. Oh, wow. Nice. Very nice. Open and try that. Big love shout out to our 9 live viewers. And this one, baby. Oh, you have supply for this hair tie. It has, I think it has 150 pieces. Yeah, 150 pieces. And this, ito lang ba, baby? Ito lang? Akala ko marami to. So, there's only time. Oh, tell daddy to open it. Akala ko marami. So, it's only time. Seasons. Oh, there's more. Yeah. Months of the year: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. So it's very nice visual aid. Yeah, it looks like laminated. Days of the week. What's that? Yeah, you can attach it. You can bind it together, baby. And there's more here, guys. Sea animals, close pa. Daddy, okay, wait a minute. Just wait for me, okay? We have to remove this one here. Baby, you have to bind those, baby. Wait, baby, wait, baby, Hana. Yung nasa baba. Yung nasa baba na yung dalawa. Open it. You can get... Oh, we have to bind it, baby. Maybe I can... Oh, baby, you can... Here, Hannah, you can have it. Oh, it's very dark in there, princess. And you can erase that, you know. So it's erasable. Oh. Over there. Yeah, you can use that, and even this one.
Oh, this one.
Yeah. Oh, you have this one pala.
There.
Yes, baby Hannah.
W.
Wow, very nice. Oh, baby, what happened? You're so excited. This one. Oh, very nice.
Wala yung planets?
No, not this one.
Oh, not that one. Okay. Okay, baby, W. You have to trace the line.
Wala yung planets, no?
Walang planets? Akala ko may planets yan. Okay, my babies are very busy na dito.
Oh.
Wala, si animals lang.
Si
Animals, wild. Puro pala animals
Farm.
ito.
Farm.
Fruits and vegetables. Oh, my body.
Food.
Colors.
Shapes.
2D shapes. Alphabet. Oh, this one is nice because I made them a DIY alphabet. This one. They learned from this alphabet here. This is the DIY. So this is the first alphabet they used to learn the alphabet and alphabet sounds, and also the shapes. I just printed those stuff and posted on the wall. So right now we can use this. Oh, busy na ang mga baby ko. Ayun na. Oh, na-busy na. I was very interested for this activity because they can write and erase whatever they written in there. You can use this, baby. Oh, because you can erase this.
I wanted to attach it.
Look at that. Okay, going to attach it. Okay, guys, we have to say bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching. Ito, kailan kaya ito transfer? So, this... Oh, hi, friend. You here? Oh, wow, nice sunset. But we're late, baby. Look. Oh, we're already late, but it's so pretty. Look, baby, there's a pink, baby. The sky is pink. Look. Come. The sky is pink. Can you see that? Oh, nice. Na-miss natin ang sunset. Ayan na. Na-miss natin ang sunset dito. Ayan na, see? Oh, Iggy is here. Hi, Iggy. Yeah, we're done eating. We took our dinner already.